Imagine a world where you don't need to type, swipe, or even speak to control technology. Instead, your thoughts do the talking. What if AI could actually read your mind? This isn't science fiction anymore. Companies like Neuralink, Synchron, and Kernel are racing to connect the human brain with machines, creating what's known as brain-computer interfaces. In this video, we'll explore how AI is learning to translate brain signals into actions, the wild possibilities of mind-controlled devices, and the ethical dilemmas that could redefine what it means to be human. What are brain-computer interfaces? Let's start with the basics. A brain-computer interface, or BCI, is a direct communication link between the human brain and an external machine. In simple terms, it's like giving your thoughts a USB port. Here's how it works. When you think, neurons in your brain fire tiny electrical signals. Electrodes can pick up those signals and, with the help of AI, translate them into instructions a computer can understand. This technology is already here. You may have heard of Neuralink, where a monkey played a game of Pong using nothing but its mind, or Synchron, where patients with paralysis have sent text messages without ever touching a keyboard. For people who have lost movement, this isn't just futuristic technology. It's freedom. It's a way to communicate, to act, to live, powered only by thought. AI at the core of thought reading. But here's the challenge. Brain signals are messy. Imagine trying to tune into 100 radio stations at once. That's what raw brain activity looks like. This is where AI steps in. Advanced machine learning models can sift through the noise, find patterns, and translate them into something meaningful. Researchers are already pushing the limits. At UC Berkeley, scientists trained AI to recreate rough images of movie clips just by analyzing brain scans. At the University of Texas, another system reconstructed human thoughts into text by monitoring brain activity. These aren't magic tricks. They're algorithms, decoding the chaos of neurons into language, sound, and images. Step by step, AI is becoming the interpreter of the human mind. The wild possibilities. Now, let's imagine what this could mean. A world where you don't need a keyboard, mouse, or even your voice to interact with technology. Just think it, and it happens. Phones and computers you control with your mind. Virtual reality worlds where your imagination literally builds the environment around you. Prosthetic limbs that move as naturally as your biological ones, guided only by thought. And creativity, that's where things get truly wild. Musicians could compose songs directly from the melodies in their head. Artists could sketch a painting by visualizing it. Writers could draft stories without ever typing a word. Some researchers even imagine telepathic communication, where your thoughts could be transmitted instantly to another person. Imagine a Zoom call where no words are spoken, only ideas flowing mind to mind. Exciting? Absolutely. But it also opens the door to big questions. The ethical dilemmas. Because with every great leap forward comes risk. If AI can read your thoughts, what happens to privacy? Today, companies harvest your clicks, your searches, your online behavior. Tomorrow, will they harvest your mind? What about consent? Would you always know when your brain data is being recorded? And let's talk security. If devices can access your thoughts, could hackers do the same? Could someone literally steal an idea from your head? Then there's identity. Our thoughts are deeply personal. They make us who we are. If those thoughts can be decoded, copied, or even manipulated, what does that mean for individuality? These aren't just technical questions, they're ethical ones. and how we answer them will determine whether brain-computer interfaces become a tool of liberation or a tool of control. Where we stand. So, where does that leave us? Right now, brain-computer interfaces are offering hope. Hope to people who cannot move, cannot speak, cannot express themselves. AI is helping unlock that door. But we are also standing at the edge of something bigger. A future where our thoughts themselves could be shared, stored, or even exposed. Imagine the possibilities. Creativity unleashed, communication without barriers, new ways of being human. But also imagine the risks. Lost privacy, hacked minds, blurred lines of identity. The truth is, technology is coming. The question is, what kind of world will we build with it? So let me ask you, if AI could read your thoughts, would you embrace it or fear it? If this helped clarify things, give us a like and subscribe for more visual deep dives into emerging tech. Our next video is coming up soon, and you won't want to miss it.